Welcome back to my video, and today I'm going to share with you online money making opportunities for Malaysian. So if you're interested to learn how to make money, then this video is for you. Remember to watch till the end, where I'm going to walk you step by step to create your own money making opportunity using online business. Okay, there are a lot of business opportunity or money-making opportunities even at this pandemic period right now. There are like, for example, business investment, creating business, entrepreneurships, forex, property investment, and a lot. Now, for this video, I'm going to focus on creating business because that's what I do. I'm a business coach and help small business and entrepreneurs to create their business. So, and it's also something that I'm doing it right now to have my own e-commerce business, consulting business, service-related business, so that I can share some of my experience with you. So now I'm not going to talk about investment, forex, and all these things because that's not for me. I don't have any experience on that. All right. Okay. So let's jump right in. In business right now, the major types we have is one is to sell physical products. Okay. Second is to sell services, all right? And then the third one is to sell virtual or digital products. So virtual digital products are like software. If you subscribe to Spotify music, those are virtual or digital products, as well like Netflix, selling you movies, okay, videos. Those are virtual or digital products. So in this video, I'm going to share more towards services and virtual products. Now, if you're interested to learn more about selling physical products, I've done this in my last video on the e-commerce on how to create your own e-commerce business selling physical products. So if you've not watched that, you can watch it right up here. So this video is going to focus more on service and digital or virtual products. Okay, so here's 4 steps to start making money online. Step number 1, find a hungry market. Yeah, find a hungry market, because today if you want to sell your services or virtual products, you must know who has the demand for this. Yeah, now especially right now, let's say for example, in this MCO or CMCO pandemic period, right? People are stuck at home, work from home. So there are a lot of things that people are looking at to help them be able to do their job working remotely. If you look at, like, for example, Zoom. Zoom is a software that very few people knows before this pandemic period at this moment. I mean, in this year, right? So before that, only like corporates and people using that. But now, it's like everybody knows Zoom, even students, children, because they have to start using that in order to be able to attend classes online or meetings. So Zoom, if you look at Zoom share, has shoot up tremendously. So this is the time that you can create a virtual products, okay? For example, software, websites, graphics design. People are moving from the brick and mortar store or physical store to the online store. So they need all this online store. If you have that experience and you know how to build a web store, websites, and all these things, this is a great opportunity for you to actually help businesses to go online. The same thing with other services. How can you help people make the job easier, right? For example, right now, like there's a lot of food delivery services, food packing, and all this will help, especially during this period of time. So if you are able to help people, people would engage your services or buy your softwares or subscribe to your software services. So very important is that find that hungry market right now who needs something that you have. So now, the next thing is to create a service and virtual products. So right now, if you know that the market has this demand, so what you want to do is you want to create a package and offer a service that appeal to the market. So it depends on what kind of services. So you must know your market pricing, what your competitor is charging, how much time you need to invest in it. So you must create a services or a virtual product that is appealing, okay, irresistible to your target audience. So then people will want to come after you for your service or buy after your virtual or digital products. Third steps, build your branded website. Now today is very important to have your own branded website because a lot of people cannot go and visit your shop and maybe you don't even have a shop, you see. So the only thing that they can judge you is through your website because they go to your website, they see that, wow, this is more established. So you are to them or like more branded and meaning that your price can be more premium as well. So that people have trust. If you don't even have a website, people don't know who you are. They're afraid that halfway through your services, you are gone. So they may not be able to engage you. So your website today is very, very important. Now, as I know, even some banks in Malaysia, you want to open a bank account, they would also want you to have your own website, especially if you're doing online business. So remember, branded website is the most important part right now. And to invest in that is not a huge amount of capital. Step number 4 is that once you have your services put onto your website, it's time to start market. Do not think too much. Start market it straight away, like using social media ads, especially if you're B2C. Use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and start targeting to your market. And always start small. Focus on a small market and then let them try your service and get feedback. Yeah. So if they have complaints, if they don't like this and all these things, it's a good feedback. So you don't have to do it a lot first. Maybe you target those your friends or people that you know that you're going to use your services. So sell it to them first at a maybe lower cost so that initially you can get their testimonials and at the same time they will feedback to you some of this element they like, some they don't like, so that you can improve on it. After you improve, you think you got a better package, then you can mass market it using the social media ads. In order to make money, all you need is just take these 4 steps. And if you have the right guidance, these 4 steps can be done within like a week. And after that, you can start making money already. So I hope these tips will help you. And my advice is, if you seriously want to make money right now, take actions. This is the most important part. Don't think too much because as each step you take, you will have problems. I tell you first, you will have problems. And then as an entrepreneur, our role is to solve problems. So one problem comes, solve this, and then you will have a business. Now I have created many different types of business like software business, services, consulting services, physical e-commerce products. These are almost the same steps I'm taking to create. And all of them are successful of making money, but it doesn't mean that I don't have problems too, right? So, but the thing is that I have my team, and we work together to solve the problems. And that's how we build our business. So I hope these tips will help you. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions, and do share to your friends. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, it's time to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell because we publish weekly online business tips to help small business and entrepreneurs to build and grow their business online. And meanwhile, you can watch some of this video up here that will help you start and grow your business. I'll see you soon in my next video.